Are you hesitant about chiropractic care due to that alarming pop sound? You're not alone. Many avoid treatment simply for this reason. But there's good news. Low-force chiropractic care exists to alleviate that fear. It aims to restore joint motion and reduce nerve interference without any twisting or popping sounds. At Glendale Chiropractic, we specialize in low-force techniques. These methods are not just milder versions of traditional adjustments. They are distinct methods aimed at achieving the same goals, relieving pain and improving function. So, what exactly does low-force chiropractic mean? Traditional chiropractic uses a quick, controlled thrust to move joints, often creating a popping sound. Low-force techniques forego this thrust. Instead, we utilize instruments or gentle controlled pressure to restore motion without high-velocity movements. This means no loud noises and a completely different patient experience. One of the primary tools we use is the activator instrument. It's a small device that delivers precise impulses to specific joints. This method is so quick that patients experience little to no discomfort, making it suitable for everyone, including kids and older adults. Another gentle method is the pain neutralization technique, PNT, which triggers points in the body to interrupt pain without any instruments or thrusts. Patients are often surprised by its effectiveness, as it doesn't feel like a typical chiropractic treatment. We also use gentle mobilization, which involves slow, controlled movements to help joints. This is more akin to physical therapy, helping to restore motion without any sudden movements or pops. Now, you might wonder if this gentle approach is as effective as the popping adjustments. Research shows that low-force techniques can yield similar results for many spinal conditions. The absence of sound does not equate to ineffective treatment. What matters is the restoration of joint motion, which we achieve effectively through our methods. Low-force care is particularly beneficial for specific groups of people. If you're nervous about traditional adjustments, older with bone density concerns, young, pregnant, or suffering acute pain, low-force chiropractic may be an ideal choice for you. Your first visit at Glendale Chiropractic will last about 30 minutes, focusing on evaluation. We'll review your history, conduct an orthopedic exam, and assess your posture. If needed, we may recommend imaging before any adjustments. Most patients are surprised by how gentle the treatment feels. Common questions include, does it hurt? Almost never, as the activator feels like a mild tap. How do we decide on techniques? It depends on your comfort, history, and exam findings. Are gentle adjustments suitable for older adults and kids? Absolutely. We tailor our techniques to ensure everyone receives the appropriate care. Finally, whether you're afraid of cracking sounds or simply prefer gentler methods, our low-force techniques provide consistent results that align with your body's needs. Ready to experience gentle chiropractic care? Schedule your low-force evaluation at Glendale Chiropractic today. We're located at 425 S Cherry Street, Suite 307, Denver, Colorado, 80246. Open Monday to Thursday, 9 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. and 2:30 to 6 p.m. Call 720-889-1659 to schedule. Don't let fear hold you back from achieving optimal health.